Hey guys, let me show you how to share watch faces on your Apple Watch SE 2nd generation. Let's get started. To start, let's just press and hold the current watch face. And now you can see this little share button near the edit one. So I'm gonna tap it. And you can also choose to share the complications with included data or don't include it. You can do it like for each of the complications. And now let's just send it to my friend Annika. For this I'm gonna choose messages, then click on add contact and then tap on this icon to see all of my contacts. And here I'm just gonna search for the Annika. Here it is. Just tap its number and now just tap the send button to send this watch face to your friend. And that's it. Now you know how to share your watch faces on your Apple Watch SE. Hope this video was useful for you. Thank you so much for watching.